Hi guys, here 4 plus 16 is 20 divided by 2 power 2 times 3 minus 1 in bracket. Here 20 divided by 2 power 2 is 4 times 3 minus 1 in bracket. Here 20 divided by 4 is 5 times 3 minus 1 in bracket. Here 5 times 3 minus 1 is 2. Here 5 times 2 is 10 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 10 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, this is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also these addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in the correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, this bracket is higher priority, so we have to do this bracket before any other operation. So 4 plus 16 divided by 2 power 2 times, here 3 minus 1 is 2. The next priority is exponent here. Here we have this 2 power 2. So we have to do this 2 power 2 before any other operation. So 4 plus 16 divided by 2 power 2 is 4 times 2. Here next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have division and multiplication. We have to do this division and multiplication before this addition. Here we have multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 16 divided by 4. So we have to do the 16 divided by 4 before any other operation. So 4 plus 16 divided by 4 is 4 times 2. Here we have addition and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition. So 4 plus 4 times 2 is 8. Here 4 plus 8 is 12 is the correct answer.